Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to upgrade an unsupported PC to the latest Windows 11 version 24H2 without losing your apps and settings, even if the standard ISO blocks you. If you download the standard global ISO and run the setup/product server bypass command, you might find that the Keep Apps and Settings option is completely grayed out. This happens because the downloaded ISO language doesn't match your current Windows display language, like English UK. To fix this, go to Google, search for Download Windows 11, and look for the Create Windows 11 Installation Media section. Download and run the Media Creation tool. This tool automatically detects your exact system language and region. Choose ISO file, click Next, and save it to your desktop. Once downloaded, right-click your new custom language ISO and select Mount. Click the address bar at the top of the folder, type CMD, and press Enter. In the terminal, type Setup/Product Server and hit Enter. The installer will open, completely bypass all hardware restrictions, and cleanly let you select Keep Personal Files and Apps. Click Install, let it run, and your system will boot straight into Windows 11 24 H2 with every single app intact. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you in the next one.